Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from NutriBullet Flip. It has a 11.1 volts motor base, blade and lid, 590 milliliters, stainless steel cup, blade cover, to-go lid, USB-C charging cable and block. So let's see what else they say. It is portable, powerful, self-cleaning and rechargeable. And it says in here, warning, do not recharge using a rapid charger, only use the USB-C charging provided. Yeah, remember that. NutriBullet Flip insulated portable blender, keeps cold for up to 24 hours, 50% more battery power. So flip and twist. So you fill the cup, the container, and then you put that on top, and then you put it upside down and you blend. Yeah, and then you flip it back to the normal, and then you just drink it, and that's easy as that. So let's see what's inside. It's like there's a little thing in here you need to cut. So let's put this down. See what we have. It says here, caution, do not open until a blade stops. Do not blend hot or carbonated ingredients. Okay. So that's how big it is. Has a nice handle. That's for the air, I guess. And it closes as well at the same time. See all the warnings. Do not leave unattended when charging. Press the power once on again, blend. Okay. And then what is this? Different type of that's the charger that they suggest you charge it with. And we're gonna use this one. Only use something similar, but best is to use the one that they gave you. That's why they gave it to you, you know. Don't mess about. Okay, so seems quite straightforward. I'm not really sure what that is. Probably a lead, actually, maybe. Let's just take this off. That's where the brain is with everything, and it looks like I pressed it by accident like an idiot, so be careful. So many warnings. Do not blend with hot or carbonated ingredients. You could explode, that's why. Do not increase pressure. Yeah, so don't leave stuff inside, because that's also could fermentate. So I think that's what it is. But it's a nice cup. I'm not sure what is this. Maybe it's for protection. I guess that's what it is. We'll read in just a second. So then you could just have that. You can even use it just for your hot drinks, isn't it? So let's see what it says in here. I probably have to give it a quick wash. So the blade is sharp. We know that. To avoid spills, make sure the lid is closed and sealed. Never open the lid. Place anything in a straw hole or attempt to drink while the motor is running. Okay. Do not submerge. You can't even use it. You can't really clean it in a washing machine, dishwasher. So many things in here. So you probably want to read all this carefully so you know what you're doing, yeah? This may spoil or ferment, and it creates gases, isn't it? So you've used it, clean it, and that's it. This is a dangerous product, you know. Definitely keep it away from your kids. Just want to see in terms of. So that's the blade cover, like I thought it is. So that's the blade cover, obviously the USB, the to-go lead. I think you could definitely drink it through this. So no power, all LEDs is off, plugged in. You can see the charging status. Okay, flashing yellow, it could be an error. Wake, press the power once to wake it. Okay, so when we pressed it earlier, it was awake. Let's see. So you press and hold for 30 seconds to start, isn't it? I don't really see the clockwise illumination, but sleep mode, after 90 seconds on, it goes to sleep automatically, so that's quite good. So yeah, then you put your stuff in a clean, dry and level surface, and twist off the handle base. You put your stuff in. Do not overfill the cup. Follow the maximum liquid. Always add sufficient amount of liquid ingredients. Twist the base, and then wake up the blender. Wait about 1 second for the LED light to fully illuminate. The LED light ring will fully illuminate white if the hybrid base is properly installed. Okay. If the hybrid is installed correctly, it will flash. That's why it's flashing, because that means it's not connected to that. When ready, press the power button again to begin a 30 seconds blending cycle. But I'm wondering, how does it blends? I guess you have to keep it upside down, no? Yeah. Once blending begins, flip your blender upside down. We flip it back up, obviously, and then you just use the handle. Remove, clean and dry the hybrid motor. It's a bit, you have to be quite careful with this. So how do you clean it? So automatically cleaning, they say. You may use a cleaning cycle to quickly clean your blender. So you rinse out the blending cup with fresh water, add a drop of dish soap to the blending cup and fill halfway. Then you start blending and also agitate the one. Start the blending cycle and flip and shake the blender. After the cycle ends, open, empty. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, it's a serious device. I just want to see how it sounds, though. So if I open this, put that in. Want to see. Okay, so that's on, and you can see that was flashing a different type of color. Yeah, you see now it's actually clockwise, so that's properly done. So you press. That's how it sounds. And then you just take it out. As you can see, as soon as you take it out, that flashes yellow that something is not right. So it has a sensor somewhere in there. So that's quite good. Obviously, you have the protective cup. Always put it on. And that's it. Unfortunately, I'm not going to show you anything today because I don't really have anything to blend. But as long as you do what they say, keep it filled in to maximum 450 ml with stuff and liquid. You see it says minimum and maximum. So minimum up to 300 and maximum up to 450 ml. So yeah, again, don't keep stuff inside. Make sure you clean it and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.